Hi, want to know how to change photo quality on your Xiaomi Redmi 13C? So, as a first step, we would need to open camera application on our phone, and here click on this arrow that you can see at the upper part of your phone. Here, after this, we'll open this little menu that you can see on your screen. Here we would need to click on the settings icon at the right edge at the top of this menu. After this, we will get to the camera settings, and now we have found the main thing that we are looking for, and this is the picture quality. As you can see, currently the picture quality is high, but by clicking on this button, we can choose standard or low. By choosing standard, the image quality can be a little bit worse, but it will save you some storage on your phone. And the low one just talks all about itself. The photo quality will be low, but it will also save a lot of storage on your phone, but the picture quality will be not great. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.